so here it is, my second video using a Dollar Tree blank or sign, and I'm going to be using Dollar Tree stickers. So one side of this, and I think I'm going to go, because this side's going to be kind of hard to cover up, so I'm going to use this lavender color on this side, and hopefully I can get this covered good. That might be a little too much. But I'm going to go ahead and put probably, I'm guessing, at least 2 coats of this on here. And I'm going to be really careful not to get the edges or over the edges because I'm going to leave that white. Okay, I put 2 coats on there and that seemed to cover it pretty good. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my Dollar Tree glass sticker again. Now, if you can't tell, this is actually a craft. It's going to be for a girl's room. So I'm going to get this sticker. It doesn't quite fit on here, but I'm going to get as much of it on here as I can. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my Mod Podge again. Just because I think it helps hold the stickers on. And I kind of like the little bit of gloss that it puts on there. So I'm going to get this all covered. Alright, I have my Mod Podge all on there. Then I'm going to take my stickers, and I already decided that I'm going to get as much of the unicorn on here as I can. So that is just going to go right about there. Okay. Now, I probably could have just put this unicorn sticker on and it probably would have been fine, but of course I wanted to use more of the sticker. So I am just going to put this on here, and I know I'm not going to get this whole thing on here, but I'm going to stick it right about there, and then what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut the bottom of the sticker off right here. Okay, now that I have this on here, I am going to have to cut that off, but what I want to do is I want to take these jewel border stickers here, and I am actually just going to cut 2 circles out, and it's going to go around, let's get this off of here, and it is going to go on each side of my sign over here. So I'm just going to stick one over here, and then I'm going to stick one on the other side. Okay, now I have both those on there. I'm going to take my cutting board here, and I am going to take my X-Acto knife, and I am going to cut the rest of the sticker off here. Let me see if I can. It looks like it's good on that side. And I think it should look just fine like that. Yeah, that still looks good. Whoops. Get that back on there. So one side is done. Now we're going to do the other side, because why not double-sided, right? Okay, now it's the other side, and I am actually going to use this pool color Waverly chalk paint, and that is going to go on this side of my sign. So I'm probably going to put about 2 coats on here too. I had 2 coats on the other side, and I think that should cover just good enough. Okay, I have my blue all painted on there, and now I want to just make sure I'm putting it on the right side. So there's my unicorn. I'm going to flip it over, and I am going to take my matte Mod Podge again, and I am going to Mod Podge this side of my sign here. I have my Mod Podge on there, and then I got this sticker set. I think my daughter gave it to me. And what I decided on, I was going to do this one, but I think I'm going to do this sticker. Not all stars belong in the sky. And I think that is the only one that I'm going to put on here. And I'm going to center that right in the middle here. And then, just to kind of dress it up a little bit, I have these, which I also got from Dollar Tree. I'm keeping this side a little bit more simple. And these I'm going to actually put around my sign. So I'm just going to start sticking these. I'm not going to go quite towards the bottom. I'm going to go up just a little bit. I don't want them exactly on the bottom of the sign, so I'm just trying to figure out about where to go here, because I'm going to have to cut these off. So I'm trying to center it on here. Let's see, let's try this one. What is on there? There's something stuck. Looks like some Spanish moss. I didn't even do anything with Spanish moss tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that right on there. Like that. And then I am eventually gonna cut these off right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, the top side of it. Stick that on there. I'm trying not to touch the actual sign. And then I think I'm gonna go, all right, so I'm just gonna try this out here. I'm gonna stick this on here and I'm just gonna move it a little bit. It's just gonna have to go like that right there. I think it's gonna look okay. It's not gonna be exactly centered. These are gonna come off and this one kind of comes down funny, but I think it'll be all right. So I'm gonna stick this one on this side the same way. All right, then I am gonna just get these cut here right away so I can see where I'm at to do the rest of them. And I'm just gonna stick these back down on my paper. Okay, I have it on there, not exactly what I was thinking, but I don't think it looks that bad. Then I am actually gonna I have these stars, and I think I got these from Hobby Lobby or somewhere, and I'm just gonna stick a couple of these stars on here. Just because it says not all stars, even though they're talking about starfish, but I just think it'll look really cute with the little stars on here. All right, and then that side is all finished. I think it turned out really cute. I think some little girl would really love this in their room. So this is the end of my tutorial. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload. And take care. Thanks again. Bye.